Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yani, and for today I will be showing you how to achieve this makeup look. Start with a clean face. So I have already finished washing my face, and for the first product I will be using the Nivea Med Repair Lip Balm. After applying the lip balm, I will be using the Iwhite Korea Aqua Moisturizer Glow as my moisturizer. This is my favorite one and ubos na siya. And for the sunscreen or sunblock, it is the RIX Skincerity Sunshield with SPF 60. Both of these products are my favorite daytime skincare routine kasi hindi sila mabigat and the consistency turns into like water. So super light lang nila sa mukha. Once na na-observe na ng face ko yung mga products, I will start with the foundation. So I will be using two foundation products here. First one is the Iwhite BB Holic BB Cream in light, and then I will add a little of Crayons BB Cream in natural beige. I am using two products kasi I want the coverage of the Crayons BB Cream and the lightness of the BB Holic. I'm using these two foundation products or BB cream products kasi gusto ko yung parang cushion na consistency. Light siya pero maganda yung coverage. Very light coverage actually. Brush na gamit ko is from Nichido, and then yung sponge, blending sponge is from Sacelady. So naglagay lang ako ng Fresh Love Collagen with SPF 15 mist dun sa sponge before ko i-blend yung BB cream sa aking mukha. Once na-blend natin sa mukha yung BB cream, I will be using the Maybelline Concealer Fit Me in 15 or Fair Clair. Ilalagay ko lang ng konting-konti sa aking under eye and sa mga blemishes natin. Then again, I will be using the same blending sponge para i-blend natin ito sa buong mukha. After ko i-blend yung Maybelline concealer, I will be applying a bit of the face mist again. Set my face, I will be using the Sacelady Loose Finishing Powder, and apply ko lang to sa aking under eye and sa T-zone. But I will not be baking the powder. I-blend ko din siya afterwards. We are going to move on with my eyebrows. So I will be using Sacelady Tinted Brow Gel in number 2. What I'm doing here is I want an arc on my eyebrow. So i-outline ko lang muna yung sa baba, and then yung sa dulo, and then yung sa taas. So this is how I do my eyebrows. And this product is very pigmented, so you have to apply it with a very light hand and i-blend siya ng maayos afterwards. Yung brush na ginagamit ko is brow brush na kasama ng Sacelady Brow Gel na to na nabili ko from Lazada. Na-include ko din to sa aking previous video, yung aking eyebrow routine and eyebrow favorite product. So if you haven't seen that video yet, please check on the description or check on my channel. In the eyebrows, I will be using the Maybelline Concealer Fit Me. I-apply lang natin ito sa gilid ng ating eyebrows. Very sorry pala sa mga background noises guys. As we know, nasa community quarantine tayo. So lahat ng pamangkin ko ay nasa bahay. Medyo maingay. Sorry about that. Okay, so I finished na yung isang mata. For today's eyeshadow, I will be using the Vice Cosmetics in collab with BD21 eyeshadow. For the first shade, I will be using this eyeshadow, Ilgo. And i-apply ko lang siya all over my lids. Applying all over my lids, I will be using a very fluffy brush para i-blend siya. And then for the second eyeshadow is Ahop. So apply ko lang siya concentrated sa outer V line natin or V shape. We'll be using the fluffy blending brush again to blend the edges. We'll be getting the Yulhana color from the eyeshadow palette again to mix and blend all the colors together. Eyeshadow color that I will be using is Yoli, and ito yung medyo shimmer siya na copper. Ilalagay natin siya sa middle part of my lids. And then I will also add the Yosot shade to top up the Yol color. The eyeliner that I'm using is from Sacelady. This is the waterproof eyeliner in Glam. Eyeliner na gawin ko is medyo makapal siya. And then we have to make a wing at the end of the liner. For the lashes, I will be using the Taiwan lashes and diamond lash. Hindi ko maalala yung style number nila, but this is more on natural. Then we are going to add drama using the diamond lash na ilalagay lang natin sa dulo ng ating lashes sa pinaka-outer part. Blue, I am using the Dolly Wink Lash Blue. Hindi ko na lang siya naipakita sa video. White yung lash glue natin. Kailangan natin siyang i-fix or gamitin ulit yung eyeliner para matakpan natin yung lash glue sa eyelashes natin. Hindi ko na naipakita dito yung ginamit kong contour, but I'm using the Sacelady contour and highlighter palette. Tanan pala ng aking mata, naglagay ako ng Ilgop and Ahop na eyeshadow. For the contour, I will be using the Sacelady contour and highlighter palette. blush and highlighter, I will be using the Vice Cosmetics in collab with BB21 Aura Duo in Orchid. For my lips, I will be using the Careline matte liquid lipstick in tutu. Let's finish the look with the fresh Skinlab face mist. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, just leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.